Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the camera app and selecting the required camera. Position yourself in a plain, well-lit area so the examiner can verify identity. Make sure your admit card and ID are visible at chest level and not covering your face. Once done, hold the phone steady with both hands or use a small tripod so the frame keeps you centered. Keep expression neutral and eyes toward the lens because the software checks face and ID alignment. You now adjust framing and camera settings to meet Ssc rules and get a clear shot. Turn off beauty filters and other enhancements so the image is raw, and enable the grid to line up eyes and shoulders. That helps with automated verification. Set aspect ratio to the specified 4:3 or the exam instruction, and use a 2-3 second timer or a remote shutter to eliminate shake. Make a test shot, review, and recompose until you finish by taking the final live photo and immediately verifying it on screen. Zoom in to confirm the admit card text and photo are readable and that there is no glare. Once satisfied, save and upload according to the exam portal instructions, making sure file size and format meet requirements. If the upload fails or the image is rejected, retry with stronger side lighting, change angle slightly to remove reflections, or clear the camera lens. This one quick fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.